What is up, everybody? My name is Mike, and you're watching Mike Mac Media. So today we're going to be talking about how I invested $100 and made $1,000 this month. So without any further ado, I'm going to explain to you what it is. We talk about affiliate marketing on this channel, and that's exactly what it is. So now to become a really good affiliate marketer, what you need is landing pages and capture pages, bridge pages, email captures, and all of that stuff. And that's a software. But when you use the software, you could actually promote the software. So I use Clickfunnels, and within Clickfunnels, when you become an affiliate, you could give away so many things. Like, they have so many different tiers of things that you could actually promote. But we're going to talk about one. We're going to talk about the One Funnel Away Challenge. So if you guys want to get started, we're going to hop into my computer real quick, and I'm just going to show you how everything works. How I designed this page. This is my page, Mike Mac Media, and these are my buttons. If you guys want to do the Legendary Marketer, that's the high ticket affiliate offer. You could start for just $7. You get 15 days of training. Clickfunnels, I have a free trial for you if you guys want to just start the free trial. 30 days with Get Response. That's going to be your autoresponder, but that's advanced. If you want to learn a little bit more, go right here. Join the Facebook group. If you're not ready to actually do anything, I suggest joining the Facebook group and reaching out to me, and I'll help you get set up, whichever way. You want to do high ticket, which is going to be right here. You want to give away a 14-day free trial and collect $38 every single month for each person that stays with the platform. You want to get $100 for each person for Get Response. That's going to be your email autoresponder. But here's what we're here for. So now you're going to click this button. You're going to go into the challenge. And what's actually cool, this is Russell Brunson. He's going to go and teach you how to actually set up your very first funnel. If you're brand new, if you have a business, or you're doing Etsy, or you're doing something online, promoting products. However, Bitly is not going to cut it. It's not going to sustain. Bitly is a link shortener. We'll go over that in my Facebook group if you want to know more. But what this is 30 days of training with Russell Brunson and his partner Steve. And you just go through so much value in the 30 days. Now, once you go through the 30 days, you're going to be able to actually purchase the software. It's $97 a month. Everybody thinks, oh, that's a little bit pricey and whatever. Let's just say it's $100 a month. Now, here's the cool part that not a lot of people remember this. Let's jump it back into the computer. I forgot to do that. So now, this is what you're going to get. All you pay is $100, and you're going to get all of this for the $100. All of this. Now, you're going to get 30 days, blah, 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 yakety schmackety, whatever the case is. I suggest learning the product that you want to promote, because that's just going to make you a better marketer, advertiser. You're going to be able, especially if you're going to go organic, I suggest doing organic, where TikTok is blowing up. I use TikTok. My TikTok's right on my page, as you saw before. I use Facebook groups, which you could join. I'll teach you. And then in order for me to teach you for free, you'll use my link, and I'll make a small commission from that company. That's how affiliate marketing works. You take somebody that wants to achieve something, and you just connect them to a product that solves that problem that they either want to achieve, or they're feeling sad about, or whatever the case is. If you want to make $1,000 plus and beyond, you got to put in the work. It's not get rich overnight. It's not take a link and then just spam it into Facebook groups. You're going to have to actually put in a little bit of work. I do about an hour a day. And mostly I do it on TikTok. when I have a couple of extra minutes, I'll shoot a video like this and throw it on YouTube. It's free for both of those platforms, and you start a group, and the more that you learn, you start bringing in clients, you train them, and then they use your links. That's how you make money. So anyway, jumping back into the computer, this is the catch. Now, it costs $100, but when you become an affiliate, this is your link. I'm already an affiliate. This is your link right here. You're gonna get $100 for every person that you send to the One Funnel Away Challenge. So, what does that mean? That means that you spent $100, you took the training, now you know how to talk about it. You know, it's like when you go to a new pizzeria, let's say, and the pizza's fantastic. You're not just gonna go to your friend and say, oh, Joe's Pizza's great, go buy it. It doesn't happen that way. You're gonna eat the pizza, love the pizza, and then tell your friend, oh, I went to pizza last night with my parents or whatever it is, and oh, it was awesome. The crust was like this, and you know the cheese was perfect. The waiter was amazing. It's a nice restaurant. Whatever the case is, you're not just gonna say it was good pizza, go buy it. So that's what you learn inside the 30 days: where to find your customers, how to promote to your customers, how to keep your customers buying from you every single time that they need something new or they need more training. You're right there. They already like and trust you. That's why you build the Facebook group. You help people for free. If you're greedy and you're trying to, you know, just make $1 million tomorrow, it's not going to happen, especially if you're brand new. But what you got to do is you got to actually invest time to help people point out certain things like I'm pointing out. I turned $100 every single month into $1,000. And that's just one thing that I'm promoting. I'm promoting at least 5 things right now. So I have 5 different things of income. But you got to start somewhere. Either start with the 15-day business challenge.com. Link's going to be in the description below. Or start with the One Funnel Away Challenge. Those are my 2 favorite things that I've ever done. Now, I do construction and whatever. I want to eventually quit my job, but I have a 20-year career and I'm into cars. I want a Ferrari one day. So with the income that I have and then the side hustle that I'm doing, maybe I could obtain one of that, a Ferrari or a Lamborghini or even a BMW. Excuse me. I actually have a BMW. I have a X5, but anyway, so back to the computer real quick, and then I'm going to wrap it up for you guys. So right here, you'll get $100 for every person that enrolls in the thing using your link that's right here. I don't know what happened to the link. Let's refresh that. Okay, so that's attached to me. So anytime somebody goes and buys this, the One Funnel Away Challenge, what happened here? Sorry, guys. But I forgot what I was talking about. So being that there's a lull in this little bit of a training, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave comments. Anything that you guys want to know, if you want more information, I'll reach right out. Best way to get in contact with me is through the Facebook group, through MikeMacMedia.com. But now, if you want to join the One Funnel Away Challenge, you still get access to my group. So my group is free 100% for life. And I'll take you by the hand and help you explain further in detail if that's what you want to know. And that's basically it. So thank you for liking this video and subscribing, because I know you guys did. Because you like my penguin up there. I know. I just know. But anyway, we're going to wrap it up for tonight. And thanks for stopping by. And again, take charge of your life. You're going to start 30 days 30 days are going to come and pass. It's $100. I've spent more at a bar. I'm not proud of it, but I've spent more at a bar for one night to wake up the next day and just lose the next day. Here you have an opportunity of a lifetime to actually spend $100, get the training that you need, and then make a sale a day. A sale a day is $3,000 for the month. Make 2 sales every single day. That's $6,000. And then just keep doing the math. But that's one product. Once you learn how to build your funnels and you get people in and you get them excited, then you have, don't forget the get response. Then you have legendary marketer, whereas a high ticket, the 15 days is going to teach you how to do high ticket income skills, which you'll make $1,000 to $5,000 per sale. So add that to the $1,000. Now you need 1 sale a month. If you make 5 sales a month, that's $5,000. It's up to you. The amount of work that you put in is what you're going to get out of it. If you treat it like a hobby, you're going to get paid like a hobby. But you got to be consistent. And if you're consistent daily, if you have 2 hours one day and no hours the next day, feather it in. Take half an hour on both days and then just try to be consistent that way. 6 days a week. Take Sundays off if you want. I don't. But stay consistent, and that's the name of the game in this business, especially if you're going to use free traffic like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Those are my 4 platforms that I use. But anyway, again, sorry. I know I'm dragging out this goodbye, but again, just leave me a like. Subscribe to the channel if you feel. And I'll see you guys in the Facebook group. I'll talk to you later. Take care.